what do you want the product to do within the context of our whole objective? And as a product manager, and the reason why I'm talking about this now, storytelling is actually way more than just user stories.
Sourcery Academy for product managers is a new endeavor for DevBridge. It's something we're starting for the very first time to echo some of the work that we've done in other areas like development. Hi, I'm Renata. I'm a senior product manager here at DevBridge. The nice thing about the Sourcery Academy is that it's giving that sort of set of parameters for what sorts of things and how a product manager does them in a foundational way.
A product manager actually does a lot of the different things that allow the team to cooperate and work together and to bring the stakeholders together, to negotiate scope, to negotiate funding.
The exercises and the things we do in class are things we do now with clients. My name is Tim Munsterman. I'm a senior product manager here at DevBridge. And I've been involved with designing and helping to develop the curriculum for Sourcery Academy for product managers. We're not trying to create a certification program. We're not trying to give you a piece of paper. We're trying to actually say, here is experience in the class with real-world examples that you can take out of this academy and have something that you can hit the ground running with tomorrow.
It's been really exciting to collaborate with the team on the curriculum and sort of building what the participants, I should say, are going to be involved in learning and what we'd like them to take away from the sessions.
One of the first things we talk about in product management is you have to get comfortable at being uncomfortable. And so that's what I'm seeing in terms of growth. I see people pushing themselves past the boundaries of probably what they're used to. And at this point, we've put them in enough uncomfortable situations, they're getting good at being uncomfortable, which is a growth point.
The thing that pleasantly surprised me the most is the level of engagement that our participants have. I mean, they're all right there, eyes on you, focused, asking great questions, really getting into the activities and getting competitive about them, which is fun. They did much better at the more difficult activity I put in front of them, and so now for the next class there'll be some curveballs.
We do product management in a very lean and agile way, and it's a certain way that we wanted to share with people maybe not familiar with DevBridge and how we do things. I'm Isabel, and I'm the talent acquisition partner here at DevBridge Group. If you're interested in solving challenging problems, if you want to think outside the box, we provide a lot of those opportunities to try new things, work on interesting projects, solve challenging problems. That's what drives our people here, and I think that those are some of the key reasons people enjoy working here.
It's so great to have something like this where everyone gets better, and it's not like we're trying to hide our secret sauce from the world. We want everyone to understand what product management is about and how we can all get better at it as a community.